Hello, fellow Hyundai Equus enthusiast. As you can see, I have my rear window panel or rear door panel off. Reason being, my window came off track. Inside the door here. So it was fairly easy to take off. There's a piece of strip here. This strip you need to take off first. You just pull it from the corner, and I can show you. So this fits right up in the grooves here. What I did was pull this off first. Took that off, pull that back. So that comes right off. And just take that off first. Take that out the groove. And then you have to, the panel will be, let's see, like this. And then like in the corners, I will just take a small screwdriver or your hand and just pop it from the seam. And as you can see, what you're popping are these little rivets from the door. So you have to kind of get in there and pop it with your hand. Now be careful, because the one of my pop, it broke. As you can see, see if I can focus there. It popped on me, and it was this corner one here. So when I put it back, it may be a little loose, but hopefully it won't be, okay? But at any rate, when it came off track, the window would slide down. So from other YouTubers on the internet, I didn't see any Hyundai Equus videos on how to do this, but the Genesis is similar. So I saw I think it was a 2013 rear door panel removal video, and it showed how to take off the panel. That's what got me to this stage. And then when the window is actually down, there's a little access panel that's going to be right here, and it's going to be a screw, Phillips head screw, that you can screw off to release the window from this metal piece here, because this is all one unit. Once you release it, then you can actually take off these bolts here, and this will come off. You got to pull this out, take off, you know, your brackets from the door, and this whole thing will come off. But my problem was, it appeared that it was replaced once before. So this screw, when the window comes down, there'd be a screw here. This screw was a little strip, looked like it was a little strip, so I didn't bother with it. So I had to figure out how to keep the window up if I still wanted to drive the car for now, until I get to the repair shop. So what I did was, as you can see, there's see if I can get the focus here. There's three drywall nails. I think they're two by, or like 3 inches long. I put 3 screws strategically. There's a bracket on the inside here that's attached to the window, and it's plastic. So what I did is put the window up and I felt in here to see where I can make if I can penetrate that. I don't know if you can see, it's a white bracket there. I penetrated that white bracket with my 3 screws here to keep the window in the up position. So this window will be inoperative until I get it repaired at the shop. But that's a temporary fix to if your window comes off track. My window, I hit a bump in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. It was downtown Dallas, and the window just it wasn't even, my wife was in the back seat, and it just started sliding down. And I was like, man, what in the world is happening? So anyway, hopefully this will help someone to make a temporary fix until you make it to the dealership. That way you don't have to put that ugly tape to keep your window up. Like I said, just put 3 screws in, or 2 screws strategically. Don't hit your window, because the window goes like down, and it goes down and back up. So it's like a bracket that's holding the window in place. So you have to strategically hit it just right. And this is the location I put mine. So hopefully this will help somebody else to secure the window until you get it to the dealership. Okay, so hopefully this helps. I will update you guys on the Equus at a later date. So you know, hit the like button, subscribe, do all the good things you do on YouTube to help the channel out, to help someone else out who has a Hyundai. This is 2014 Hyundai Equus Signature. All right, talk to you later. Peace.